Why isn't it possible? Why not? Why isn't it possible? Why not? Why isn't it possible? Why not?
Dr. Ramo hasn't showed up, so... Oh wait, that's been like an hour. Let's wait for him. He's here! Hi guys, I'm Justin.
I'm Raymond.
And this
is the
Big OutRayJus! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Okay, we're all happy. Alright. If he's got ketchup on it, I hate him. I love fries. Oh my god. I can cut the videos out. I can cut the stuff out a lot easier than.
I'm hard about this.
Okay.
You're going to wait.
Yes!
Fruit. Capricorn.
Zoom in on your face. Please don't.
Science. This is sweet, but it's good. I'll give it a 6.
This is outrageous!
That's one coming back to school.
You didn't even go.
So that makes me a doctor in New Jersey.
So we're gonna sit here like creepers and wait for someone to go in there and we'll slide in behind them. Then we'll just steal the over. That's right.
Yeah!
All right, Justin, it's your turn to pick this week. So where are we going?
Okay, I thought long and hard about this. We're going to Bay Street Grinders.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's go! Bay Street Grinders. Here we come. All right, we are here. The Bank Street, or this is a grinder.
Big Street Grande.
We got the food. We're going. We're heading home.
We're leaving Bank Street.
Oh my god. Our camera situation is currently disgusting. It's not great.
Yeah, you've been saying mounts and planes.
Yeah, I gotta get on Amazon. Play for it.
But no one said you're making a windmill.
No, I'm doing that now.
Yep, there. And there it goes. See?
The sky.
Sorry, we got a red light on.
I don't understand. What in the fuck?
There we go.
Don't walk, kid.
Get splattered.
Or pay the ultimate price.
Yeah.
As you can see, building in progress. It's a mess out here. All right. This video is sponsored by Mountain Dew.
I wish we could get a Mountain Dew sponsor.
Oh, it tastes disgusting. In this case, Zappas.
Yeah.
Kettle cooked, New Orleans style. Good. As you can see, salami and pepperoni. Bring one half of this. You want a quarter of that?
I'll take a quarter of this.
Or, I don't know.
What is?
I'll take a quarter of that. How's that? That's fair.
You go right. The Capricorn. The Capricorn.
The Capricorn.
Alright, that's Raymond's. So, put that right here. So we're all clean. And which one we slice it? You want some of this?
It's barbecue.
It's BBQ? Or no? Alright. So we have a classic Italian, 2 of them. Alright, one's regular.
This is the classic Italian. That's the to-me classic Italian.
Yeah.
They switched out the ciabatta or whatever. The chumley.
Ciabatta's a bread.
I know. Well, I don't know what it's called.
No, it's a Capicola.
Capicola. They switched out the Capicola for pepperoni.
So you have the Capicola in yours.
Okay, so this one has Capicola. This one has pepperoni instead of Capicola.
Yeah, that's it. That's right. All right. Want to cut that one?
Slice it. Slice it.
All right, I won't do the dumb slice this time. Where I just.
You don't want to lose half the sub?
Yeah, I won't do that again. Good.
All right.
And that's my quarter. This one's yours.
All right.
All right.
All right. Let's start with the classic. Then we can go to hopefully the better version.
Okay. Do you want the cap or you want the center? All right, I'll take the cap. Looks like it's got enough meat.
What is Capicola?
It's ham.
Oh,
Yeah, it's like a pork.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not chicken.
It's not very good. Come on. He might have something here. We're gonna have to switch it up from now on.
Well, it tastes like a classic Italian.
Good stuff. Solid. Mm-hmm. What do you think? 7, 6? Come on, there.
It's got a little spicy twang to it. I like it. I give it an 8.
The capital.
Give it 8?
Yep.
I'm going 7.
Let's go!
Yep. Yeah, solid.
Alright, I'll take the blood on this one.
Alright. I'll do this one.
Now the classic Italian with pepperoni instead of chumley.
Chumley. Ciabatta.
No, it's not ciabatta. That's the bread. Capicola.
Not right.
I keep thinking capuella. That stupid from
What is that? What is that?
Bob's Burgers.
Bob's Burgers?
Yeah. That was like a fighting technique.
No, capicola, salt, pepperoni. Here we go. Oh man, hold on. I think it just bumped it. Maybe it is better. Familiar.
It is better. It is definitely better.
Okay, it has
Not that the capuella was bad.
The capital.
the works.
I think if we put pepperoni with the capuella
The capital.
or a cappuccino or
The capital.
what is it?
Capicola.
Capicola. The capicola.
The capital.
I think we'd have, if we had the pepperoni and the capicola together, we'd probably have a 10 here, but I'm going to give this a 9 with the pepperoni.
Man. 9.
Let's go!
Tops.
Nice squirt of mustard right there. I love mustard.
It's good. It's very good. Like that's a top of the line sandwich. I don't know if we could beat that, but we'll see. We'll try right here. All right, we're gonna try.
All right, barbecue time.
All right, here we go. It was split. And we everything over there is yours. This is ours over here. Ready? Whole different vibe. Got the sweet.
That's good. This is a good barbecue sandwich, man.
That's really good. 9.
Let's go!
I'm going for it. That's tops. Perfect meat? Nope.
That is good. I give that an 8.
Give it an
The capital.
8. Go 9. Top of the line. Yeah, very good. And it's got the cheddar on there.
We had an option for cheese. We chose cheddar.
Very good.
Overall, Bank Street Grinders, really good, man. Really good.
Awesome.
Overall,
Let's go!
I want to give it an 8. But the one problem I had with the place is nobody was wearing that freaking hairnet there.
The capital.
Or a mask. Well, the
Or a
one
mask.
guy, the
Well-
one guy helping us was.
Well, yeah, the cashier had a mask.
Yeah.
But the hairnets are. I work in the kitchen at the prison, and everybody's got to wear a hairnet in the kitchen.
The capital.
And all right, man. Working with food, you gotta wear a hairnet. All right. So I give them a 6.
Overall,
Overall, I give Bank Street Grinders a 6.
I give it a 7.
Let's go!
That's about right for me. So, yeah, but you do have to take that away, you know.
Yep.
Unfortunately.
Disgraceful.
It is. We're gonna try one of these chips. Even though they're not.
It's not part of the rating.
It's.
That boat has sailed.
I know it has. You want to try one?
Nah, not really. I'll lose a tooth on these kettle.
Try man. Oh man. That's good. Oh, I mean, it's good. Solid.
It's jalapeno.
Yeah. Jalapeno.
It's jalapeno chip. It is. It's a crunchy jalapeno chip. It's exactly as advertised.
That is correct.
All right.
There you go.
The carnage.
The carnage.
All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and the interaction and all, guys. We need it. We need it.
We need the fire.
All right. I'm Raymond,
I'm Justin.
and this has been
The Big OutRayJus.
Yeah!
No, that's stupid. Why are you punching me?
That doesn't make sense.
Does it cold up sandwiches? No.
What are you looking at? I'm right here. He was not. He was looking way over there. This whole time he's been talking over there.
I don't. Okay, I don't
I
know.
think you got it. Where's the carnage? Where's the carnage? Oh my god. Oh my god, Raymond. Oh my god.
The ciabatta or whatever. The chumley. Ciabatta's a bread. I know. Well, I don't know what it's called. No, it's a capicola. Capicola.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ciabatta or whatever. The chumley. Ciabatta's a bread. I know. Well, I don't know what it's called.